Hey guys, it's Sunday and you can never go wrong with pasta. So I came up with this creamy chicken bacon pasta. So simple to make and so incredibly delicious. So let me show you how to do this. First off, what you want to do is begin by frying up about 6 strips of bacon. Now you don't have to use bacon, you can use pancetta, ham, whatever you like. But bacon. Okay, the bacon is beautifully fried up to my liking. And this is about perfect. And my oh my, this is tempting. But I'm not going to. We'll just cut this up into, I'd say bite-sized chunks, something like this. And set it aside on a plate. Now it's time to make up our pasta. So I'm just going to add 1.5 cups of penne pasta. I'm using penne here, but you can use the pasta of your choice. To a pot of boiling water, and we'll just cook this until it's al dente. Next, let's fry up our chicken. I'm going to use the same pan with that wonderful bacon grease. Don't want to waste that. And we'll season this up with a generous amount of salt. Some pepper. This is about 1/2 teaspoon of each because I'm going to do the chicken up in 2 batches. And about 1 pound of chicken or 1/2 kilo. Some of that wonderful smoked paprika I should say. Get a good coating on there. Another 3/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I always have to have this Italian seasoning on hand because I just love it. Touch more. And for some additional heat, some hot pepper flakes. Depending on how hot you want it, you can be the judge of this. And we'll just go ahead and fry these up until they're a beautiful golden brown. Once the chicken is wonderfully done, I'm just going to set this aside on a plate. And I've just tasted this chicken, guys, and it is so good. It's just about got that barbecue flavor to it. You're going to love it. Next up, in the same pan, I'm going to add in a couple of good handfuls of baby spinach, a couple of handfuls of chopped tomatoes, and these are cherry tomatoes. And believe me, these are so good in the summertime, especially when they're fresh. And 3 cloves of chopped garlic. And I'll just stir and saute this just until the spinach wilts down. And this won't take very long, maybe a couple of minutes. After that, I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of heavy cream. And if you're diet conscious, you can use 50/50 or half milk and half heavy cream. And we'll just give this a stir and bring it to a light boil. And look at these wonderful colors. Doesn't this look gorgeous? After a light boil, I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of Parmesan. And we'll just give this a stir. Oh, the smell. Oh, the smell. It is so good. Just about intoxicating. Add the chicken back in, along with some of those wonderful juices that are coming off the chicken, followed by the bacon. And for a bit of punch and freshness, just about, I'd say, 1/2 teaspoon or 1/2 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. And we'll just give this a stir until everything is well incorporated and that chicken is nicely coated. Last but not least, that pasta goes back in, so we'll just toss this in. Give it a toss once again. Believe me, guys, this is a meal for a king. Kill the heat, and you are good to go. We are finished. Now we'll just go ahead and serve this up on a plate. And we'll garnish this up with just a little bit more Parmesan. Can never have enough Parmigiano. And there you have it, guys, our incredibly delicious creamy chicken bacon pasta. Oh, this is going to be ridiculously delicious. Okay, let's dig in and see what we've got here. Oh, just look at this. I mean, everything is there. You get that smokiness of the bacon. The chicken is tender, just done perfectly. The spinach, the seasoning, and that creaminess, just absolutely incredible. You got to make this. Just have to make it. It is so good. And you can always get this recipe over at cookandshare.com. Great site, all kinds of stuff over there. Over 1,000 recipes. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and hit that like button. Stay safe and see you next time.